All right, so start here with the diagram. Now we got this flagpole that's here. We'll draw a flagpole. And then runner A starts 4 miles from the flagpole. Here's runner A moving with a velocity of 6 miles per hour. So then the distance here is 4 miles. And then runner B starts over here, 3 miles from the flagpole, and moves with a velocity of 5 miles per hour. Now, the question is, how far are the runners from the flagpole when their paths cross? So for starters, you know what? The flagpole really has nothing to do with it initially. Forget about the flagpole. Pretend like the flagpole is not even here just for a moment. Let's figure out when these guys are going to meet. So I think the easiest way to do this is like this. Instead of it being 2 people, just make it 1 person. And what's the total ground being covered here? How many miles are being covered in this? 7 miles is being covered. Okay? So if you were to replace 2 people with 1 person, how fast would this 1 person be going? 6 and 5 in opposite directions. I mean, they're covering the ground. How do I word this? I mean, if they were both going in the same direction, that'd be one thing, but they're moving towards each other, right? So wouldn't this be the same as 1 person traveling at 11 miles per hour? Does that make sense? Okay, how long would it take this guy to travel 7 miles going at 11 miles per hour? Well, velocity, this seems to be our equation for the day. Velocity equals delta x over delta t. So what's delta t equal to? Delta x over v. The delta x is 7 miles. The velocity is 11 miles per hour. And so this comes out to be 0.6363 hours. So that gives us the time to when the 2 people meet. Do you guys follow that? So now, go back up here. How far does person A travel in 0.63 hours? Let's calculate how far will he travel in 0.63 hours. So we take our velocity equation, and we're solving for delta x. So delta x is going to be v times delta t. So his velocity is 6 miles per hour for a time of 0.6363 hours. So person A travels 3.8 miles. And by the way, we can figure the answer out now. This guy, person A, travels 3.8 miles. So how far will he be from the flagpole at that point? 0.2 miles, which should be the answer. Is that the answer? 0.2 miles is where they meet. At a distance of 0.2 miles on the west side of the flagpole. This way is west, this way is east. Okay? And you could have gotten the same answer if you focused on person B. If you focused on person B, you know, delta x equals v times delta t. So the velocity for person B is 5 miles per hour. And then the time is 0.63. So 5 times 0.63. So we get 3.2. All right, so person B went 3 miles past the flagpole by 0.2, right? 3.2.
Aaron's mom is in the office to take her to an appointment.
Okay.